are in front of Bird Tower, one of our very popular products. The idea was to create a very high tower. As you can see that this new generation playgrounds include high towers, and people seem to enjoy going up. We have a very amazing view of the city, so that when you climb up you can also see the city. The idea was that we wanted to create an effect of a bird's nest. As you can see, it's got a component on the top which is very similar to a bird's nest itself, so our main idea was to reflect that visually. So it's a great thing to keep an eye on the children with the wire mesh frames, and it's kind of like a transparent facade we can see. We have rope components inside of the tower, so that it's got a spiral path and they can circulate between the elements and then go up. They've got to come back to the area using the 2 slides, PE slides. So we're quite happy with the actual result and the outcome, and we are receiving great feedbacks, and we are happy to see the positive reactions from people.